Hey there, developers. Let's start with quick thought. Have you ever wanted to build a prototype but got stuck in endless cycle of boilerplate code, configuration files, and getting the basics right before you could even test your actual idea? You spend hours setting up databases, configuring APIs, wrestling with authentication, and your brilliant concept gets buried under a mountain of setup tasks. It feels less like innovation and more like digital plumbing. Kind of exhausting, right? Now, what if I told you that this tedious manual setup process is the actual problem? What if you could just describe your prototype idea and have it built it for you? That's where Claude Code comes in for prototyping. In simple terms, it's an AI coding agent that lives directly in your terminal, understands modern development patterns, and scaffolds the entire application for you. In today's video, we are going to dive into how Claude Code revolutionizes prototyping. It's not just about writing individual functions, but about having an intelligent architect that can build complete working systems. By the end of this tutorial, you are going to understand what is prototyping. Then you are going to understand what makes Claude Code perfect for prototyping, in which I'll break down the specific features that makes it a game changer for rapid development and experimentation. Moving ahead, we are also going to discuss about how Anthropic prototypes new features with Claude Code. You are going to get an inside look at how creators themselves use it for internal development and feature experimentations. Then we are going to discuss about common use cases. We'll walk through real-world scenarios where Claude Code shines from MVP development to technical spikes. And at the end of this session, we are going to discuss about tips and best practices. I'll share you the proven strategies to maximize your prototyping efficiency and get the most out of Claude Code. So, are you ready to turn your terminal into a prototype factory and accelerate your development workflow? Then let's get started. Now, before we commence, if you are interested in mastering the future of technology, the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is a perfect opportunity for you. This course is offered in collaboration with ICT Academy and IIT Kanpur, and this 11-month live and interactive program provides hands-on expertise in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools such as ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Hugging Face. You're going to gain practical experience through 15+ projects, integrated labs, and live masterclasses delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty. Alongside earning a prestigious certificate from IIT Kanpur, you'll also receive official Microsoft badges for Azure AI courses and career assist through Simplilearn's Job Assist program. So guys, hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. Now, before we dive deeper, let me ask you a question. Which of the following is not mentioned as common use case for Claude Code prototyping? Your options are MVP development, technical spikes, mobile app store optimization, or API prototyping. Please mention your answers in the comment section below. Now, before we move forward, I request you guys that do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. So let's get started. Now, let us first discuss about what is prototyping. So guys, prototyping is the art of quickly building a working version of your ideas to test concepts, validate assumptions, and demonstrate functionality. It's not about perfection, it's not about speed, it's about experimentation and learning. In software development, prototypes serves as proof of concepts that help teams make informed decisions before committing to full-scale development. Traditional prototyping often gets bogged down by technical overhead. You need to set up environments, configure tools, write boilerplate code, and handle infrastructure concerns before you can focus on your core idea. This friction slows down the critical feedback loop between concept and validation. Now you would be wondering what makes Claude Code perfect for prototyping. So guys, Claude Code eliminates the traditional barriers to rapid prototyping through several key factors. So first, it understands context at project level, meaning you can see the big picture of what you are building and make intelligent decisions about architecture, dependencies, and implementation patterns. Unlike simple code generators, Claude Code maintains awareness of your project structure and can create cohesive, well-integrated solutions. Second, it speaks natural language fluently. You can describe your prototype in plain English, explaining the business logic, user flows, and technical requirements without getting bogged down in syntax or implementation details. This natural interaction model dramatically reduces cognitive load of translating ideas into code. Third one, Claude Code works directly in your terminal environment, integrating seamlessly with your existing development workflow. It can execute commands, create files, install dependencies, and even run tests, essentially functioning as an intelligent pair programming partner that never gets tired. Now let us discuss about how Anthropic prototypes new features with Claude Code. So guys, Anthropic's internal development teams use Claude Code extensively for prototyping new features and exploring innovative solutions. When developing new AI capabilities or experimenting with novel interaction patterns, their engineers leverages Claude Code to rapidly build proof of concepts that can be tested and validated with the stakeholders. For example, when prototyping new user interface patterns for Claude's web application, developers can use Claude Code to generate multiple variations of components complete with styling and interactive behavior. Now, this allows team to quickly compare different approaches and gather feedback before committing to a specific design direction. The company also uses Claude Code infrastructure prototyping, building small-scale version of complex systems to test architectural decisions and performance characteristics. This approach enables rapid iteration on system design without the overhead of full production deployments. Now let's try to understand some of the common use cases. The first one is MVP development. Build minimum viable products that can be quickly deployed and tested with real users. Claude Code can generate complete applications with user authentication, data persistence, and API endpoints, and also front-end interfaces in fraction of time required for manual development. Next one is technical spikes. When exploring new technologies or investigating complex technical challenges, developers can use Claude Code to quickly build focused prototypes that isolate specific concerns and provide concrete answers to technical questions. Next one, we have API prototyping. So guys, you can describe your API requirements in natural language and have Claude Code generate complete REST or GraphQL APIs with proper routing, validation, error handling, and documentation. This is invaluable when designing system integrations or exploring service architectures. And finally, building data processing and analytics pipelines. You can do machine learning experiments and also write automation scripts that are natural fit for Claude Code's capabilities. The tool can quickly generate working solutions that handle data ingestion, transformation, and output, perfect for validating data processing approaches or building analytical prototypes. Now let us move ahead and discuss some of tips and best practices. So guys, first one is start with a clear problem statements to maximize your success with Claude Code's prototyping. Start with clear problem statements. The more precisely you can describe what you are trying to build and why, better Claude Code can assist you. It includes context about your target users, key constraints, and success criteria. Next is be specific about technical preferences, be specific about your technical requirements also. Like if you have preferred frameworks, databases, or architectural patterns, mention them upfront. Claude Code can adapt to your preferences and generate solutions that align with your existing technology stacks. Next one is embracing iterative refinement. Don't expect perfect results on the first attempt. Use Claude Code's ability to quickly iterate and refine your prototype based on testing and feedback. The tool excels at making incremental improvements and adapting to changing requirements. And finally, focus on core value proposition of your prototype. Let Claude Code handle the infrastructure and boilerplate while you concentrate on unique aspects of your solution. This division of labor allows you to move faster and maintain focus on what matters the most. So guys, Claude Code represents fundamental shift in how we approach prototyping by eliminating technical friction and enabling natural language interaction. It transforms prototyping process from tedious setup exercise to creative exploration possibilities. Whether you're building MVPs, exploring new technologies, or validating complex ideas, Claude Code can accelerate your development workflow and help you focus on what truly matters, turning ideas into working solution. That was all for today's video, guys. I hope so you would have enjoyed our today's video. And also, guys, if you like these kind of videos, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out any updates from our end.